This video is going to demonstrate how to find and use a subject-specific database based on your research question or topic. Let's get started. Academic Search Ultimate is a great multidisciplinary database, but we also want to encourage you to start using the subject-specific databases that EKU Library subscribes to as well. Searching for sources in a subject-specific database can be helpful for multiple reasons. It helps you learn more about the topic itself, learn subject and discipline-specific terminology and theory, and find articles from discipline-specific trade magazines as well as academic and peer-reviewed journals. Let's start with this example research question. Do schools with school uniform policies have fewer discipline problems than those without uniform policies? This is probably a question we could research in education databases, correct? That seems to be the most relevant field. So returning to the EKU Library's homepage, we'll start by clicking on Databases. Then we will use the All Subjects drop-down menu. Here you will see listed multiple subjects that match up to the subjects and departments of study here at EKU. We are going to click on Education. We are now at a page that's all about education. Notice a photo of the Education Liaison Librarian on the left, along with their contact information. In the middle of the screen are listed all the databases that will be helpful in searching topics related to education. We are going to focus our attention at the top, where there are just a handful of databases highlighted under the Best Bets section. These are the databases that the librarian has designated as the best places to search education research topics. Notice that under each database listed, there is a description that lets you know the types of topics covered and resources found within each database. Those descriptions will be helpful in choosing which database to search. Still not sure which database to start with? Use our Ask Us chat service to ask the librarian on duty what database they would recommend. Let's look at another sample topic. Does the militarization of police reduce crime? Relevant fields here could be broadly sociology, but specifically the fields of police studies, criminal justice, or maybe even Homeland Security could apply. Let's return to the A to Z databases page and look at the All Subjects drop-down menu again. I see that there are options for all of those. Let's choose criminal justice to be more specific than sociology, but not quite as specific as the police studies option. But honestly, there is probably a lot of overlap between the databases listed for criminal justice and police studies. And we are now at the page for criminal justice. Again, we see the liaison librarian information on the left. And here in the center, we've got the recommended databases again, with the Best Bets databases for criminal justice research listed at the top. Reviewing the descriptions, this database, Criminal Justice Abstracts with Full Text, seems like a really good database. Let's give it a try. We are now at the search screen for Criminal Justice Abstracts with Full Text. It should look really familiar to you. It is just one of several subject-specific databases EKU Library subscribes to from the vendor EBSCOhost. And the database Academic Search Ultimate is also an EBSCOhost database, so we know that this database should search and function in similar ways. Let's start a simple search on police militarization just to take a look. Notice even with our broad search, our search results list is much smaller than what it would be in Academic Search Ultimate or the library's main search. But the results are definitely more specific. And notice that the articles are coming from publications specific to the fields of policing and criminal justice. And by scrolling through, I'm seeing some other keywords, learning terms, and by scanning through the subjects connected to the articles, learning what some of the more specific issues might be. So, by looking at a subject-specific database related to our research question, we will definitely find specific sources and more that will be helpful in our research. This video took a quick look at how you can go beyond the multidisciplinary database Academic Search Ultimate to find and use subject-specific databases in your research. If you ever have any questions or need any help, don't hesitate to ask. Good luck!